I'm going to show you how to change the color of an edit box. So I'm going to add the edit box onto my form, and I'm going to add a button. And when I click on the button, I'm just going to change the color of the edit box. Let's make the color of the edit box lime. So when I click on this button, I'm going to change that color of that edit box. Okay, so I'm going to say edit one.text. Not text.color, because I want to change the color. And the color that I'm going to choose is CL Lime. Okay, so what I type in there, if I click on lime, the button lime, it's going to change the background color to lime. If you want to know what colors is available for you to choose from, you can just select your edit box, go to your properties, go to the color property, and then you can view all the options. In here, the one we chose was CL Lime, but you can choose any of these colors in your color property.